everyone, thank you for tuning in to another one of my soap making video. This is Helen from Moonlit Soap Work, and today we are making a batch of my chocolate and mint chip soap. So what we have today is dark rich chocolate scents. I use this to make some chocolate embeds. As you can see, these are beautiful. So they just came out a little mold and they're like pieces of chocolate. So this is gonna be the top of the soap today, and since it's mint, I have a wonderful coworker of mine actually give me a whole bunch of like fresh mint leaf all the time, and because she grew in her backyard. Thank you, Jackie. And so I've been saving her I have dried them up and saving them for this batch of soap. So it's not a lot. I'm probably should grab a lot more from her next time. Anyhow, so I ground these down. Got one of these little things, and I manually ground these mint down, shift it all, and make sure there's no big branches in there. So it's a nice fine mint powder. So here's the mint leaf, and the scent for the mint part, this is bamboo berries, Moroccan mint. It smells wonderful, so I'm gonna use that. And then as far as the color is gonna be, is we have a couple of things going on. We have mad oils, let us entertain you. I love their name. Their names are fun. Let us entertain you, which is kind of like a lovely green color. You can see this lovely green, kind of shimmery, lovely green color right here. And then I decided I'm just gonna go with matte oil color today, totally. So I have this brown color that I came up with, kind of like a cross between a milk chocolate and a dark chocolate. I'm a dark chocolate more type of girl, but I didn't want to be like just straight up black. So it's kind of a pretty color. We'll see. I'm not going to be using a lot. So this is the Redrum, which is a beautiful like shimmery brown. And this is the black oyster, which I put a little touch of it into this mix, so that it gave me a little bit darker color. So between these two colors, it's gonna be like really pretty. Anyhow, so, and that's also what I use. I think this is also what I use for this milk chocolate bar, piece right here on the soap. Anyhow, so that's those, and then I will be putting a little bit of titanium dioxide into it, especially for the green part, so they give you a nice fresh green color. And then I think I might be separating a whole section of it out in white, just to perhaps maybe do a pipe top. We'll see how that goes. Okay, well, that's about it. You're just tuning in right now. This is Helen from Moonlit Soap Work, and thank you for tuning into another of my soap making video. And this is been a while. I've been kind of MIA for a little bit. Haven't been able to find the time to actually set up for filming. So this is it today. I have to. It's been way too long. Anyhow, so let's make some soap. here you go, everyone. This is a very, very long process for this batch of soap. My probably gonna go into my limited editions, not to be repeat ever again, kind of that deal. Anyhow, this is the mint chocolate chip, and as you can see, you see all the little chocolate chip on top. I decided I want to do a pipe top, which make this process extra long because when I pour the base, the fragrance kind of undo the chase, and so it got really liquidy and couldn't pipe at all that day. I mean, I could let it sit there for 12 hours. I could just tell right away when it got so liquidy. So I have to put it aside and come back and pipe it when I'm doing a different batch. So I saved a little bit of white earlier when I was doing another batch of soap, and I let it firm up and it get to a really good consistency. As you can see, I actually gave you the nice stiff tip. So that's kind of a rarity for me. And but I do wish I have better skill at piping. So this is as good as it's ever gonna get with a pipe top for me. It's a bit on the tall side. This is a tall and skinny mold already, and this is really tall. So we'll see how. Don't even know how it's gonna cut into because it's gonna cut into some of the tip, and it's gonna be be confusing. Anyhow, just don't keep your hope up. It's gonna be a nice surprise when I cut into it. It should be a simple soap, so we'll see how I go. And so I have this side, I have some of the heart shaped chocolate one, so it'll be great going into Mother's Day now. Wish I make this for Valentine's Day, but can't be perfect. So but it came out really pretty. I kind of alternated two shape, and then I have some milk chocolate one and some dark chocolate one on both ones. So this is a regular essential depot most is a lower, but it's already super above the height. So this is going to be a big and tall batch, and this is a super tall and skinny batch. So overall, they all look pretty good. So once again, thank you so much for tuning in to this pretty amazing soap journey right here. This is a very interesting soap. Been wanting this for a long time now. So thank you for tagging along and for your patience waiting for my video and waiting for this particular batch to actually get finished. So thank you once again. And if for anybody who's new to my channel, please, if you like what you see, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And anybody who's been sticking with me since the beginning, thank you once again so much. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up so I know that you like this type of video, and then I'll try to be more consistency once again, and trying to upload a little bit more if I can. Just been kind of crazy with everything going around. So hopefully this batch of soap will bring a smile to your face with the chocolate and mint. I mean, who doesn't love it coming up to summer? So and this batch should be ready in about a month and a half. Also, most of my soap take a month and a half to be cured. So please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you want to see it in my future video and don't want to miss anything. Not that you have that much of a chance of missing it. I don't post enough. I will try to post more, I promise. And if anybody have not been following my Instagram, please go ahead and follow my Instagram, same name, Moonlit Soapwork. On Instagram, on Facebook, I have an Etsy shop under the same name, and this is the YouTube channel, Moonlit Soapwork. So this is Helen, and thank you so much for tuning in. And until next time, happy soaping!